In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Artistly AI to create artwork that truly resonates with your creative style and projects. First, log into Artistly and head over to the AI image generation dashboard. Here, you can choose the type of artwork you want to create, whether it's digital art, marketing visuals, social media graphics, or concept designs. Next, write a detailed prompt describing your vision. The more specific you are, the better the results. Include things like mood, colors, lighting, art style, and composition. For example, you can ask for a cinematic fantasy scene, modern branding artwork, or realistic portraits. After that, select your preferred art style preset. Artistly offers multiple creative styles to help match your brand or artistic direction. You can also adjust image size, quality, and creativity settings to personalize the final output. Once everything looks good, click Generate and let Artistly AI create your artwork in seconds. If you want better results, refine your prompt and regenerate until the image perfectly matches your vision. And that's it. A fast and simple way to create professional AI-generated artwork that resonates with your work using Artistly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.